Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we have a very special project for you all. We will be rebuilding a first ever Chinese car Geely Coolray, Proton x50 2023 that was involved in a crash. Despite the damage, the car has low mileage, making it the perfect candidate for a rebuild. In this series, we will take you through the entire process of rebuilding this car from start to finish. From assessing the damage to sourcing the necessary parts and finally putting it all back together, you will get an inside look at the entire restoration process. As you can see, it's pretty banged up, but nothing that we can't handle. Now, let's head over to our home and start digging in. Our main goal with this rebuild is to inspire our audience and show that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. We want to showcase the craftsmanship and skill that goes into rebuilding a Chinese car and hopefully provide some entertainment along the way. So sit back and enjoy as we bring this wrecked Geely Coolray, Proton x50 back to life. Let's get started. We're going to show you step by step how we're going to strip this car in parts and hopefully give it a second life. It's always fascinating to see the inner workings of a car, especially after it's been in an accident. Let's take a closer look at the wreckage and see what kind of damage we're dealing with. When we take a look at the car's computer, we can see that there is battery water spilled on it. But does the computer still function? We can see some of the damaged rise from this angle. We'll reveal the aftermath of the crash, beginning with the broken windscreen, which was hit from the bottom side. As we look at the untouched door, it's interesting to note the significance of its condition. Moving on to the dented left fender, unfortunately, this damage is irreparable. The impact was severe, and the fender will need to be replaced. The front headlights, bumper, and radiators are all damaged. Their damage indicates how bad the collision was. Looking at this side, we can see that the right side fender is also damaged, and as we dive deeper, we can see damaged hood hinges. Moving to the side, we can see that the engine covers are damaged as well, and last but not least, the hood itself is damaged. As we dive even deeper, we can see that the linkage for the chassis and the crash guard has been bent. The bumper linkage has been bent too. As we inspect, the radiator is damaged. It also has a broken condenser. Another issue is that the ECU holder and the left side hinges are also bent. Furthermore, the wiring for the cooling fan is damaged. When we examine the fuse box, we discover that it is damaged. We can see that the fender's frame is in perfect condition. The hinge for the hood has also been bent. The stopper for the hood or gesture is also bent, as well as the fender bracket. We can see here that the battery bracket has been damaged. The battery itself has exploded, and left all the acid water around. We have started disassembling the hood, which is not easy for a crashed car as the hinges are bent, which makes it a difficult task to accomplish. Here, we disconnected the water lines for the wipers. If not done with the right amount of pressure, it can land on our list of problems. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned as we bring first ever Chinese car to its former glory on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. See you in the next episode.